Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best dash cam is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your vehicle. It not only captures your drives but also provides irrefutable evidence in case of accidents or disputes. With the added feature of speed recording, you gain an extra layer of data, offering a comprehensive record of your journeys and enhancing your safety on the road. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. This dash cam records videos in stunning 4K resolution. You'll notice a significant improvement in clarity and quality compared to other dash cams. The night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low light. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, you can easily manage recordings using the ROVE app on your smartphone. Download videos directly to your phone and share them with friends and family quickly and easily. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. You can view your driving route and track your journey on Google Maps using the app or the GPS player. This dash cam includes a supercapacitor, a wide-angle lens, and various other features. It also supports parking mode, motion detection, and emergency video lock, providing comprehensive protection. The product is backed by a full 1-year warranty. You can reach out to customer care via text or email for quick assistance with any questions or issues you may have. What we like. This dash cam captures stunning 4K video, ensuring every detail is crystal clear. It also boasts built-in Wi-Fi 6 for lightning-fast file transfers. If you are looking for a dash cam that offers both exceptional video quality and convenient connectivity, you should consider this. What people say. The setup is simple. There are tons of quick short videos to help guide you on how you might want to tuck away the wiring. You just plug it into the car charging socket. You can also hardwire it into your car if you're knowledgeable and comfortable doing so. I like that it has parking mode, which means the camera will automatically turn on and record for a bit if it detects a sudden impact movement while the car is parked. I also tried the app. It lets you download your footage in real time by connecting to the dashcam's built-in Wi-Fi. Number 4. REDTIGER F7N 4K Dual Dash Cam. This dashcam features front and rear dual cameras, providing comprehensive coverage. Each camera captures views at ultra-wide angles, ensuring no detail is missed during playback. It offers you dual reassurance on the road. The front camera records in stunning 4K resolution, delivering incredibly clear images. The rear camera captures in 1080p Full HD. You can enjoy the clarity to the fullest. Night driving is made safer with this dashcam's superior night vision. It uses a large aperture, advanced WDR and HDR technology, and a StarVis sensor to handle difficult lighting conditions. See clearly, and drive securely. Stay informed with the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS features. Connect to Wi-Fi to easily view, download, or share videos using your smartphone. The GPS function tracks your driving route, speed, and location. Your car is monitored at all times with the 24-hour parking monitor. Loop recording provides constant surveillance, while the G sensor records and locks emergency footage. Everything is clarified in the footages. Installation is quick and easy. Simply slip it into the bracket and it's ready to go. You can view all options clearly on its screen. It also comes with a 1-year warranty and 7/24 after-sale service. What we like. With dual cameras, this dash cam provides comprehensive coverage of the road. It excels in low-light conditions, ensuring clear recordings at night. If you drive at night frequently, this dash cam is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It has a lot of setting options and toggles, what to show and not show as far as speed, location, audio, etc. The buttons and settings are fairly intuitive. It can hold a 256GB SD card. The front and back cameras together use up a bit over 1.2 GB every 5 minutes, so about 15 GB an hour. So the card will hold about 15 hours or a bit more. REDTIGER dashcam shows very clear images, has Bluetooth and GPS capability, and a parking mode if hardwired. Number 3. VANTRUE N4 3-channel triple dash cam. This dashcam features a 3-channel design, recording the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously. It captures everything with high resolution, protecting you from potential accidents. The free GPS player even offers zoom-in functionality for detailed image analysis. In dual recording mode, the front camera records in 4K, while the rear captures in 1080p. The rear camera is adjustable up to 360 degrees, suitable for various vehicles. When used alone, the front camera can record up to 4K, ensuring clear visibility of license plates. You can configure the settings to record the front and interior of your whole cabin in 1440p plus 1440p high resolution. The adjustable inside camera ensures more flexibility and better viewing, ideal for rideshare drivers. Equipped with a Starvis CMOS sensor and IR LED lights, this camera enhances visibility in low light conditions. It accurately captures the driver and passengers, even in complete darkness, making it perfect for rideshare services. The dashcam offers a 24-hour parking mode, continuously recording with low bitrate. It also features motion and collision detection, automatically initiating recording when triggered. Remember to connect it to a hardware kit or external battery. Powered by a supercapacitor, this camera withstands extreme temperatures, from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The supercapacitor extends the lifespan, making it ideal for various climates. The G sensor detects sudden impacts and locks footage. Loop recording overwrites old files, and the LCD can automatically turn off to avoid distraction. An optional GPS mount tracks your route and speed. It supports up to 512 GB of external memory. What we like. This dashcam offers 3-channel recording, capturing front, inside, and rear views simultaneously. It also features infrared night vision for clear interior recordings. If you are a rideshare driver or need to monitor the inside of your vehicle, you should consider this. What people say. The video quality is incredibly clear, and although I was hesitant about getting the N4 that has the cabin cam, since I am not an Uber Lyft driver, I think the interior is gradually becoming my favorite of the 3 cams. I would say the N4 offers the absolute best parking mode options. It has G-sensor detection, motion sensor, a combination of the two, and even low-resolution continuous recording, as well as time-lapse with 2 options 1 FPS and 5 FPS. First of all, you get 3 cameras, all with fantastic video. Number 2. PRUVEEO D30H, Dual FHD Dashcam. This dashcam records in dual 1080p at 30 frames per second, or single-channel 2160p. Each camera has a 150 degrees wide angle, giving you a broad view with minimal blind spots. The 2-inch LCD screen provides a clear view. The cabin camera has an f1.8 aperture and infrared lights for clear night recordings. It performs better in low light than other dashcams. The sensitive night vision processor captures stunning images even in complete darkness. With an ACC hardware kit, this dashcam can record while parked. Its low-profile design makes it a discreet witness. The cameras can be adjusted for the best view. It features loop recording, automatically deleting old footage. It supports up to 512 GB micro SD cards. In case of a collision, the emergency lock secures the current footage. Installation is simple with the included suction mount. Just add an SD card and connect to power. It doesn't have a battery, preventing issues from heat exposure. What we like. This dashcam records in dual FHD, capturing both the front and cabin views. It also has infrared night vision for clear recordings. If you like a dashcam with easy installation and a focus on interior recording, you should consider this. What people say. Excellent video capture both day and under low light conditions. Likewise, the audio quality is very clear. The menu is easy to navigate so that one can set it up to operate in their preferred manner. Number 1. ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam. Introducing the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam. This dashcam records in stunning 4K UHD at 30 frames per second, or 2.5K at 60 frames per second. It's packed with features for the ultimate driving experience. With the R2-4K Pro, connecting is easy. Use the latest dual-band 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi to connect to your iPhone or Android smartphone. You can easily view, download, and share videos with just a click. The R2-4K Pro has built-in GPS. It records your speed and location. It provides precise driving routes and speed stamps directly on the video as additional evidence. This dashcam has state-of-the-art technology. It includes a supercapacitor, voice guidance, a Sony IMX335 sensor, and a wide-angle lens. It also supports up to 512 GB of storage. The R2-4K Pro offers a 24-hour parking mode. It has options for time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. If an event occurs, it records a full video and alerts you. This dash cam is backed by a 1-year warranty. The customer care team is based in Chicago, ensuring quick and efficient assistance for any issues. What we like. This dash cam records in stunning 4K UHD, capturing every detail on the road. It also features advanced 5G Wi-Fi for fast file transfers. If you like a dash cam with the latest technology and a reliable parking mode, you should consider this. What people say. It has great options to set the resolution of the videos it records, and the available space on the micro SD card can be maximized before being recorded over with the loop feature. The dash cam was very easy to install and super easy to operate. I must say I am totally blown away with its features and performance. It is super easy and intuitive to use, the mounting kits it comes with are perfect and work extremely well, even bouncing along off-road, and it has so many cool features. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.